Wig Studio One YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at a new style for fall 2024 by Ellen Wille. This one is called Cover in the color Bernstein Rooted. Remember, you can find this right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link there. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors, pricing, and details there. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So here we go. This is what it's going to look like right out of the box, okay? I haven't done any styling to it. I just merely took off the tag and inspected it to make sure that everything was good to go. But you can see that it is a short, sassy, chic shag style cut. It has some natural wave and curl, which is just brought out beautifully by this color, this Bernstein Rooted. Right around the front is going to be about 4 to 4.75 inches. You're going to see a similar dimension here in the back. And then that is going to boil down into a 3-inch nape. A lot of you that enjoy pixies are really going to love this 3-inch nape. It's excellent coverage that stays put. It wraps around the ear. It only weighs about 2 ounces, and it also features a nice light density. There is some permatease on this, just enough to cover wefting and add a little bit of structure to the style. Nothing overdone. I'm just struck by how impressionable all this fiber is. I didn't realize there was so much curl in this, so it just looks like somebody's gone through with a curling iron, and then I'm just gently deconstructing that with my fingers to get a messier look or a smoother look. So let's chat about this color, Bernstein Rooted. Now this one doesn't appear as warm and red as some other Bernstein Rooted applications that I have seen. What I'm looking at here is a light brown. And that light brown, you'll also see some highlights of a gold blonde and then an ash blonde to it. So it's very highly dynamic with a mix of warm and cool, although that brown is not typically as red as I normally see on this application. And then there is a medium root, and that root just blends in beautifully with this color. An extended lace front that runs back through the ear tap, a left monofilament side part, open wefts on the top sides and back, an extended nape with Velcro style adjusters. I feel like this one also fits a little more average and is better accommodating of a petite average circumference than some other Ellen Wille styles. So just keep that in mind. I would have no way to measure if this one is suitable for an average large or large circumference.